Good morning students, welcome all of you in science video. Our book name is Evolving Science. How are you all students? I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy, and I am also fine. Let's start our class students. In today's video, we will learn chapter 6, that is food and shelter for animals. Yes students, in previous chapter we have learned about different types of animals. Okay, in chapter 5, that is animal world, and in this chapter we will learn about the food and shelter of animals. Okay, so let's start students. See here, we will learn about the homes where they live and what they eat. Okay, means about their food. Let's start students. In this chapter we will learn the food of animals. Okay, we will learn about the different food of different animals and the different places where they live, about their homes. Okay, let's start from here students. What is written in this box? What are the things you need to live comfortably? Means here the question is asking students that what are the things you need to live comfortably means students means with no problems. Okay, what do you need to live happily in a comfort zone? Then see, food and house. Yes student, food and house are most essential things, means most important things for us to live our life comfortably. Okay, do you think animals too need a house and food? Yes students, do you think that animal also need food and house to live their life nicely? Yes, they are also living things students, just like us, so they also need house and food to live their life. Okay, now let's start students from the first line here. Animals need food. Yes student, first of all we will learn about their food. Okay, we will see the different food eaten by different animals. See, food is necessary for all living things. Okay, all animals need food to live and grow. They move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Okay students, see here, food is necessary for all living things. Yes, we know if we will not eat food student, what will happen? We will become sick and after that we cannot survive. Okay, so everyone need food to live, means every living thing need food to live. So all animals need food to live and grow. Yes students, just like us, animal also eat food and they grow. Okay, they move from one place to another place. Okay, in search of food and shelter. Yes students, they go from one place to another place for their food. Okay, because they have to survive. For surviving everyone need food, so they move here and there in search of their food. Okay, now see here, animals eat different kind of foods. Yes students, animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals like deer, cow, elephant, giraffe and rabbit eat grass and the leaves of plant. Yes students, different types of animal eat different types of food. Some animals students like here deer, cows, elephants, giraffe and rabbits eat grass and the leaves of plant. Okay, these animals eat the plant products students, means leaves of plant, flowers of plant. Okay, and grass also. They eat the flower, the plant part. Okay, now see here, cow is the example, deer and giraffe, some plant eating animal. We call them plant eating animal student. Okay, and we also call them herbivorous. Okay, herbivorous means students animals who eat The plant products, okay, plant or plant products are called herbivorous. Okay, we will discuss about herbivorous in our next slide, students. First of all, see here, there is an activity. Okay, see this activity. Match the animals with their favorite food. One has been done for you. Yes, there are some favorite food of these animal, students. Okay, their foods are written here in words and picture of these animals are given here. You have to match them. Okay, wait, students, let's do this activity. In this way we can also understand their favorite food. See, carrot, rabbit. Yes, carrot likes to eat rabbit likes to eat carrot. Okay, now hen, you can see here, hen we will match grains. Okay, we will match to grain. Then after, you can see this is a cow, and cow like to eat grass. Okay, where is grass? Here is grass, so we will match cow to grass. Then lion loves to eat meat. Okay, so we will match lion to meat. Then this is duck, water bird, and in water what it can eat? Fish. So we will match duck to fish. Red chili, we have learned in our previous chapter, students, that the bird who eats the red chili is parrot. Okay, red chili, or you can say green chili also, but parrot loves to eat chilies. Okay, so we have completed this activity, students. Now moving to our next line. See, food for animals. Okay, we have discussed, students, that food is very essential, very important for everyone, every living beings. Now see, animals food. Some animals eat grains and seeds. Yes, students, grains and seed we have learned in our previous chapter, that food that we get from plants, cereals, pulses, seeds, these all are plant products. Okay, so in here some animals eat grains and seeds eaten by mouse, sparrow and hen. Okay, these animals eat grains and seeds. Okay, very tiny food. Okay, they eat very tiny food, grain and seed. Now see some other animals and their food. See, some animals eat insects. Yes, students, insect, we have learned about insects in our previous chapter. Okay, insect who have 6 legs. Okay, and many of them can fly also with the help of wings. So some animals, students, some animals eat those insects. Okay, like housefly, butterfly. Okay, these all are eaten by these animals. Which animal? Frog, chameleon, lizard. You have seen, students, lizard you can see in your house also, in your room also. They are moving on walls. Okay, and frog you can also see in your in rainy seasons, they are moving on the ground. Okay, so and they are also living in water. So they eat insects. Okay, animal that eat insect, then we will say frog, chameleon and lizard. They eat insects. So insects are their food. Okay, now see, some animals kill other animals and eat their flesh. Yes, students, some animals, what they eat? The food of these animals are the flesh of different animals, other animals. Flesh means, students, the body part of other animal. Okay, so see here, some animal kill other animals and eat their food. First of all, they kill them, and after that they eat their body part. Okay, so we call them, what we call them, students? We call them carnivorous. Okay, we call them carnivorous, or you can say animal that eat flesh. flesh eating animal we can say, but we can also say carnivorous. We will learn about carnivorous in our next slide. Carnivorous means the animal which eat the flesh of other animal. Okay, now see the next type of animal, students, here. For example, students, let's see the examples of the animal who eat the flesh of other animal. Snake, jackal, wolf and fox. These are some examples, and there are more examples. You can see, students, tiger, lion. These are very big and dangerous animals, and they are always ready to kill other animal and eat them. Okay, eat their flesh. Now see the next thing. Some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Yes, students, some animals need both type of food, means they also need flesh of other animals. Okay, and they also need plant products. Okay, they eat both plants and flesh, means they eat the plant products like leaf, flowers, fruits, and also they eat the flesh of other animals. Okay, now see the next one here. See, some animals eat fruits and nuts. Yes, students, fruits and nuts. We also eat fruits and nuts, but just like us, some other animals are there who love to eat fruits and nuts, like squirrel and parrot. Yes, students, squirrel and parrot eat fruits and nut very nicely. Okay, they love to eat them. Okay, so whenever the question is asking that which animal loves to eat fruit and nut, you will say squirrel and parrot. Animals that eat fruits and nuts, squirrel and parrot. Okay, now see here, information bell. See here, students, we will see this information bell here. About elephant. Elephant can eat up to 170 kg of leaves and grass daily. They spend about 18 hours of a day eating. Oh my god, so much food elephant eats, students. See, 170 kg of leaves, means plant product, leaves and grass every day. An elephant can eat 170 kgs of leaves and grass. And you know, students, elephants spend about 18 hours. It's 18, students. Yes, 18 hours a day eating. Okay, they spend 18 hours a day in eating. That's why they are so much big and heavy. Okay, so this is one information, student. You should learn this about elephant. Now see about giraffe. See a student, long neck animal, giraffe. Giraffes are able to bite off even the topmost leaves of plants because of their long neck. Yes, students, long neck animal giraffe can bite off the topmost leaves of the tree also. Means, you know, students, trees are big and strong, they are very tall, and you know, giraffe can bite off the uppermost leaves of a tree also. Why? Because giraffes have very big and long neck. Okay, and their neck help them to bite off the topmost leaves of a plant also, leaf of a tree also. Okay, so this is one more information about giraffe, students, so you should learn this nicely. Now let's see a chart, students, where I will show you something. See, I was talking about herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Students, what are herbivorous? Herbivorous, in the picture you can see, students, plant products. Okay, leaves, flowers, fruits, vegetables, grass. What are these? These are plant products. These are coming from plants. So animals who eat plant products are called herbivorous. Okay, we call them herbivorous. Now see about carnivorous. What are carnivorous, students? Carnivorous means animals who eat the flesh of other animal. Okay, they do not eat plant products, they only eat flesh of other animals. Okay, we call them carnivorous. Now omnivorous. What are omnivorous, students? Animals who eat both plant products and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Means they eat both things, means they are ready to eat both the things. Okay, means plant product also and the flesh of other animals also. Okay, see here some examples of herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. See here, students, herbivorous animals are elephant, rhinoceros, Kolka, this is one different animal, giraffe, horse, rabbit, these are herbivorous. Now carnivorous means the animal who eat flesh of other animal. Polar bear, lion, tiger, alligator, sea star, jellyfish, shark, these are carnivorous. Okay, students. Now see omnivorous, who eat both plant products also and flesh of other animal also. Human, yes, we are also omnivorous, students. Many of us are omnivorous. Okay, see, humans, panda, whale, turkey, monkey, fish, pig, seahorse, these all are, students, animals who eat both plant products and flesh of other animal. Okay, now one more thing is there, students, scavengers. What are scavengers? See, scavengers are the animal who eat the flesh of dead animals. Okay, they do not kill the animal, but they eat the flesh of dead animal, like hyena, vulture, okay, crow also, crocodile. These are some examples of scavengers. Okay, now let's see the next page here. Now about homes. Yes, students, we will now learn about homes. Okay, animals need home. Yes, students, just like us, in the same way animals also need home, students. See, just as we need a home to live in, so do animals. Yes, I have said, students, in the same way, just like us, animal also need house to live. Okay, they need a home to protect themselves and their young ones from rain, heat, cold and enemies. Yes, students, why animal need home? They need home to protect themselves and their young one, means their babies, from rain, heat, cold and enemies. Enemies means from other animals. Okay, other dangerous animals. See here, students, one thing you can see here in birds. Cuckoo is the only bird that does not make its own nest. It lays its egg in the nest of other bird. Yes, students, you know cuckoo bird. Cuckoo bird is a very beautiful bird, students. Her voice is very melodious. Okay, but you know one fact about this bird, student? Cuckoo bird is the only bird. Okay, cuckoo bird is the only bird who does not make its own nest. Okay, it lays its eggs in nest of other birds. Okay, she do not it do not have any her own nest. She always lays her eggs in nest of other birds like crow, other birds like crow's nest, okay, pigeon nest, Many different birds are there, student. They make their nest by their own, but cuckoo bird does not make any kind of nest by themselves. Okay, they lay their eggs in other birds nest. Now see the next one. Some animals make their own homes. Yes, students, there are different animals. Some can make their home by their own, and some need their home which we human prepare for them. Okay, first of all, let's see about the animals who make their own home. See, birds make nest with straws, string, leaves, etc. Yes, students, birds, the beautiful creature, make their own home, okay, with the help of straws, string, leaves, etc. Okay, they assemble many different things and make their home known as nest. Okay, we call it nest. Now see bees. Bees, you know, students, it is an insect, okay, and it flies. Bees make a hive, okay, on trees or in any building you can see the hive of bees. Okay, they make a hive. Now see, a rabbit makes a burrow. Yes, students, rabbit makes its own home, that is called burrow. Okay, now see, a spider spins a web. Yes, web is the home of spider, and spider love to live there. Okay, see about natural homes. Natural homes means, students, that is already created by God, that is present in nature. Okay, no one need to make them. See here, some animals like live in shelter made by nature. Yes, shelter made by nature means, students, it is already present in nature, no one needs to make it. Okay, now see here one information. Shelter, what is shelter, student? Shelter is the place that give protection from heat, cold, rain and enemies. Yes, shelter means, students, we all are living in our homes, so what is that? That is our shelter, means where we can protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and enemies, means different dangerous animals. So that is called shelter. Now see the natural home of some animals. Fish, dolphin and whale live in water. Yes, water is natural thing, and water is the home of fish, dolphin and whale. Okay, so water is the natural home of these animals. Now see, a lion lives in a den. Yes, den is the home of lion. Okay, lion lives in a den. Now see this page, students. Here we will learn another different animals and their home. Animals like snakes and moles live in holes. Yes, students, holes in the ground they make and they live there. Okay, okay, students, see, these are the natural homes. Okay, they do not need to prepare them. Okay, these are the natural homes present in the nature. So animals like snakes and moles live in holes. Now see, crocodiles and frogs live both on land and in water. Yes, students, we have already learned this in our chapter 5, that crocodile and frogs, these are both water and land animal. They can live in water also and on land also. See, squirrel and monkeys live on trees. Yes, squirrel and monkeys live on trees. Okay, they do not have any permanent house, student. Okay, they live on trees sometime. Now see, man-made homes. What are man-made homes, students? See here, domestic and pet animals live in homes built by us. Yes, students, you know, domestic animal and pet animal cannot make their own home, and they cannot also find their home in nature. So we human beings prepare their home. Okay, we build their home. See, Cows live in a shed. This is called a shed, students, and it is prepared by us, means we human prepare this shed for cow. Okay, so cows live in shed. Now see the next one. Horse lives in a stable. Yes, horse lives in a stable and we human prepare that stable. So this is the man-made home. Okay. See, dogs are kept in kennel. Yes, students, there is also a home for dog that is prepared by human, man-made home, that is called kennel. Okay, for dog. Now see, aquarium. Yes, this is a very popular man-made home, student, for fish. Okay, you can see aquarium in your house also. Many of you have seen this aquarium, students. In this we put fish and okay, and we decorate the aquarium with colorful stones and water, and it looks very nice. So this is called the artificial home. Okay, artificial home of fish. Now hens lives in copse. Okay, hens lives in copse. Now see here one thing, students. A squirrel lives in a nest. Okay, see, a squirrel also lives in a nest, student, called a dray. Okay, the dray is called the nest of squirrel. It stores nuts and fruit in the dray to eat. Yes, squirrel is very clever. It stores some nuts and fruits for eating in its nest called dray. Okay. Now see one more thing about termites. What are termites, students? See, termites make big termite hills. Okay, see here, this is termite, students. Many of you have seen termites. They are small animals, students, and they are really connected to wooden thing. Okay, and they also make a termite hills. See, termites make big termite hills. Some animals such as elephants and monkeys do not have homes. Yes, what I have said, students, elephant, monkey have no home. Okay, elephant and monkeys do not have home. They roam around freely in the forest. They roam around freely in the forest means they can move anywhere. Okay, no one will ask them anything. Okay, so they do not have any home. See, termite, this is a termite, student, and you can see what is this is wooden thing. Okay, termite eats the wood. Okay, you know, students, in your house many of you can see termite destroyed the wooden doors and windows. Okay, so they eat wooden things, and they make a termite hill also. See, students, these are some names of different animals and their home, like ant hill, cow, shed, elephant, forest, honeybee, beehive, mouse hole, sheep pen, bird nest, dog kennel, fish water, horse stable, pig stay, spider web, cat house, duck pond, hen coop, monkey trees, rabbit burrow, tiger den. Okay, these are some homes of different animals. Okay, some are natural homes, some are man-made homes. Okay, let's see, students, one activity is there. Let's complete this activity. Now we have completed this chapter, students. After this video we will do some other videos. In those videos it must be clear to you this chapter. Okay, who am I? See here, student, the first one, I live in a burrow. Yes, who live in a burrow, student? See here, this one, rabbit lives in a burrow. Okay, so here we will write rabbit. You will write, students, here rabbit. Wait, rabbit. You will write it nicely, students, okay, in your books. I am big and black. I do not have home. Yes, students. Who is this? Very big and black and have no home. Elephant. We will write here elephant. 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 Okay. I am very tall. I roam around the forest. Very tall means who have tall neck? Yes, it's giraffe. Okay, we will write here giraffe. 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 Okay. I am small. I live in a hole in the ground. We will write here rat. Rat is small and it lives in hole. Okay. So in this way we have done this also, students, activity. Now there are some hard words from this chapter. Okay, please write this and learn this very nicely. Okay, see hard words. Necessary, NECESSARY, necessary. CHAMELEON, chameleon. LIZARD, lizard. FLESH, flesh. SQUIRREL, squirrel. ROAM, rome. CHIMPANZE, chimpanzee. ENEMIES, enemies. STRAWS, straws. AQUARIUM, aquarium. TERMITS, termites. Okay, so these are some hard words, students. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood this chapter very nicely. Again we will meet in our next video. Bye bye all of you.